Okay, January 2026, everybody's looking to get in shape and get organized, right? Organization is huge for the first of the year. Declutter the house, take things to Goodwill, donate. Just get yourself into a good space to start the year fresh. So I partnered with this brand. They are, I apologize, YYCOMMO. And this is their 4-pack of Lazy Susans. This is 11.8 inches, and they're turnable organizers. So think about the space that you have and how you can get organized with these. They have a built-in kind of system on the back, like a Lazy Susan. They're clear, they turn nicely. The space that they are, 11.8 inches, you can do them in the countertops, you can do them in countertops. You put them on the countertops, you can put them in cabinets. Maybe you have spices that you want to get organized where you don't have to knock down 4 spices, 5 spices to get to the one you want. So you can put them in there. You can hold coffee cups, you can hold coffees. I mean, name it. You can put anything you want in there and have a really cool Lazy Susan. It's weird. Lazy Susan. I have to read about that. I wonder why she was so lazy. But anyways, it is just a cool way to stay organized for the first of the year. So 4-pack, very inexpensive, great for cabinets. Maybe you have, your kids have Legos, your kids have things that they want to organize and just have in a nice space. Good idea. So get organized 2026. Appreciate you watching.